Hi guys, guess what? It's time for another edition of Thursday Night Auction Wonder. It really is a wonder that we pull this off every week, I think.
Yes.
That's because there's great people working here. And good stuff coming in. A lot of gemstones. Looks like they've gone through some sort of sale already. At least some of them have. They have price tags on them. It looks like some raw turquoise and quartz and all sorts of cool stuff that people seem to like. And then this funny little belt buckle I just threw in the middle of there. Excuse me, nice stone in there. Then we have some signed little like Hall of Fame helmet. There's a Lenny Dawson, Jim Lynch, I thought. Anyway, there's that. There's boxes of jewelry from a few different people. This is really cool. Chad pointed that out, that headstock on that violin, I guess. There's all sorts of neat little stuff in this box. Cane top. Just little knickknacks and smalls and some funky porcelain. And what, a spotting scope? Is that what that is? Or a crazy flashlight?
I do not know what that is.
Let's look. Let's find out. Let's unbox it.
Is this an unboxing?
There's some really good knives this auction.
Dang.
Oh wow, that's...
I got a kind of a thing for flashlights. But now, you know, they're all like USB. You can plug them in. But that's like...
There you go.
That's a good flashlight.
You'll be looking for your bid.
So yeah, that you can take that home. Then there's some little boxes of rings and other jewelry. And there's some stampage. A bunch of different belt buckles. We'll try choice on those, see what happens. Just a funny miscellaneous box with all sorts of cool little stuff. Those usually go low, which I think is funny because there's always really cool stuff in them. But it's like,
this is a crazy cool box.
Shelby,
Shelby,
it's like, what are you going to do with that by itself?
patch, you know.
It's a $10 thing maybe, but then there's
Right.
$300 worth of stuff in there. But anyway,
I feel it.
some of these stuff here.
And this is like solid quartz, you know, things like that. Hematite. I mean, this thing is heavy. So that kind of gemstone-y stuff that's been carved into,
Polished.
yeah.
There's some foreign currency and Don Shula signed book there. Excuse me, more jewelry. Some medals, some knives, really nice knives. More jewelry there, some Asian stamps there. Does that one say William?
Yeah. You mean the famous YouTuber?
Mm-hmm.
Remember my cool lighter case that I was like, I'm never gonna lose it?
You lost it?
I did.
I know.
That's mine. Nobody bid on that.
I thought about you when I put
That's
that
even cooler. Maybe.
in. And we
The gun
hardly
was pretty
ever
sick.
get them, so
Okay, nobody saw that.
whatever. We
It's
give them all the
mine.
time. These are cool. I don't know if you guys saw our or unboxing video that was, you know, kind of, viral.
We want a Webby.
Anyway, all this stuff, JSA certified jerseys, some signed stuff, just a neat little sports area there. Not a whole lot up here, so we'll make up some time. Some Jaws, like an old book, stereoscope, golfing signed cap, Mikhail Gorbachev, Russian doll. Cute little Victorian style purse.
Yeah, that would look cute on you.
I know. That horn makes a honking sound.
Chad, do it. Please.
Hey, Harpo.
Yeah, usually the rubber's rotted out.
Yeah.
This still has life in it.
I don't know that
That's pretty cool.
we've ever gotten one that actually works.
Yeah, yeah.
Some Navy photos, some stereo slides there. There's a couple of neat metal freaking what's like cranes or something.
Whooping.
Whoop whoop. Ooh. Some
Ooh.
some lanterns, more or less. Then we have more jewelry and just little stuff here, all sorts of it. Some flatware, looks like some really old, like Civil War era stuff in there too. So yeah, that's fun. Then there's a little crystal animal. There's this plate. There's a cool circus truck, Nylent circus truck. Another plate. Then a lot of crystal and some art glass, and looks like probably some Fenton. And I'm gonna go like McCoy and Red Wing maybe in there. A buffalo. Bison. And this is really neat piece there. That ought to do well.
Does that glow?
Probably. A cat wearing a bird on its head and a fruit hat. Native American pottery. More little paperweights, and looks like somebody went to Italy and got some souvenirs a while back. Fancy stuff down there. There's a 3-gallon Red Wing jug there.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, good lord. Some alligators, caiman.
Sorry.
That was good.
You liked it?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. I like it.
Davy Crockett spring horse. Rich toys. Pretty neat. Some more mid-century art pottery, nice carved figures, an old coffee grinder. Looks like maybe there's some Pyrex back there and some horse bookends. And
More whooping cranes.
Ooh.
Oh.
That's nice.
Okay.
Of course, I mean, there's a chip in it, but kinda.
I think that was intentional. Seems like part of
Get
it.
so worked up about that, like.
Yeah, stop getting so worked
I
up.
always say, what are you like
Everybody.
making some sauerkraut in it, or just putting things in it to look at? But like that at a farm auction, that'd be like $120. But here, like $30 maybe. Some Fiesta.
That's bull.
We're going, oh, we're going down here.
Ooh. It's kind of neat.
Yeah, so I guess that's like not, I don't know what that is, private purchase or just reproduction, tactical air command jacket. For some reason we have an Amazon jacket up here.
You could like pose as an Amazon delivery guy and then like leave people packages.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut that out. Remember to cut that out.
Yeah, I like it. So this guy, Mason, and in the Navy.
That adds up.
That's cool. Man, workwear is hot. Vintage workwear. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, I see. It's inside out so that you can see the stitching and stuff. These guys would, a lot of times that like the insides of the cuffs would be embroidered, and then they'd, you know, when they'd go on shore leave, they'd turn them up. So that
Yeah, okay.
it's pretty cool, Natalie, actually.
Does it slide on?
TV
Wow.
lamp. Whoop, whoop.
Close.
I like this little piece of, like, I don't know, folk art or tramp art. I think that's pretty cool.
This is a good
This truck is really, this little guy here. Nice piece.
What? Oh,
Um,
just kidding. I'll cut some stuff out.
Then the Castrol thing is neat. No, I shouldn't.
Anyways,
I
moving
should
on.
just- so this is another
That's
like piece like that. I
awesome.
know, I think so too. This is Reed and Barton, like I said, a stainless Reed and Barton. Freaking still in the plastic, or kept in the plastic. Looks like we got a Las Vegas lot going on there.
Okay. Woodruff. That's a family.
Woodruff.
That's a family name of mine.
Oh, it is?
Maybe this belongs to me, actually. Is that like a common thing? Like a, is
I
that
don't-
the brand of it or
I don't
something?
really know. Because it's for like, I don't even know. So there's some old packaging. Looks like Kansas City, Kansas, 1950s. Little smoke stand there, a bed warmer, some ice tongs, some more old wrenches, a USA teddy bear.
Scythe.
Oh, it is?
I don't know. Just want to sell another
It is.
$600 bear.
That was fun.
That was awesome.
More stuff.
Can you make that sound?
No. Balloon?
Woo!
Something like that.
I'm just gonna put a lot of bird sounds in this.
That's like Barbara Wood, I guess it says. Ooh, $600.
And it's
Somebody
listed
trying
on
to get up out of
eBay,
that.
so you know it's worth $600. Wowee.
Sells for 400, 600. It says nice pieces of stained leaded glass there. This is freaking awesome. Yeah. Apparently it was in some sort of sale, or I don't understand what that means. Must have been. And this is the Palace Bathhouse in Eureka Springs. It's like they was having a party up in there with dragons,
Yeah.
like knights and stuff.
Crazy.
I know. It's intense. This little guy, he's like, oh my God, what have I done?
Oh.
Look at these people in there.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's really neat. Very detailed.
You want to do all this stuff, or?
Yeah, sure, we might as well, since we're over here.
Okay.
There's a nice cast iron headboard and footboard, a couple of old twin headboard and footboards with the...
Hold on. That was horrible. Okay, see, now I got
Did it work?
No.
We clowning.
Yeah, this is going well.
So that has the rails to it, which is nice. Those are there. Really neat.
That's super.
Some quilts. People like this stuff will probably be at the end, or you know, down the fence if you come here before. It's a nice Southwest style old rug. Be sure to like and subscribe and
Sorry.
moist.
Come on, man.
It was
Don't say
so
that.
like and subscribe and all that. Here's Bible lands, the Old Testament.
Go to the last one. Wait, no. What? Where was the one that Vaughn was like, that's cool?
Hard to say, really.
And what kind of, what is that made out of? What is it made out of?
Human skin.
Oh, god damn it.
It's like some sort of cloth.
No, there was like one that was kind of cool. Anyways, check the pictures.
Yeah, oilcloth.
Did he steal it or something? Anyways,
That's an old
this
mirror.
isn't going well.
I think it is. Every time I see an old mirror like that, I always think like how many people looked in it, you know, and
It's really introspective of you.
sometimes I wonder why I even try.
Thank you.
No, but there's this whole like thing, like, you know, Billy Bob Thornton,
Yeah,
like he's
from the
guy-
Righteous
like I
Gemstones.
heard, no.
Wait, what?
Anyway, that like think that like people's energy goes with their thing. So there's some people that won't buy any old stuff at all.
Huh.
Neat pachinko machine and some chafing dishes. Another neat old mirror.
That'd be like a great market for us here.
Pretty cool. Lots of pretty stuff over here.
Oh, it's Baby Billy.
Yeah, Baby
Never
Billy.
mind.
Oh, Baby Billy. I love that show. I wonder when the new season's coming out.
I don't know.
I've been watching a show called Great News.
Okay.
It's really good.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. If you like 30 Rock and stuff. So then there's some lamps. And some more Crocs. And some more nice glass. And like somebody's old maybe beach bag or something like that, right?
Right. It's a sure. I've been watching this show called King of the Hill. You've probably never heard of it.
I haven't.
It's
I've
pretty
watched
good.
Tales from the Tour Bus though. I heard they're the same guy.
Oh yeah.
Vaughn kind of reminds me of Boomhauer.
Yeah. No, that's Carl.
Yeah, yeah.
I told him that the other day and he didn't think it was so funny, but
Vaughn does too. That's freaking awesome. I hope that makes it through the auction sitting over here.
damn, you wanna go to the boat?
Ding dang old man, I'll tell you,
Come on,
tell you what, man.
I'll see you at the boat.
Old,
I can't do it.
dang old man, tell you what, man. Columbus.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, man. You have to slip like 8 of those in.
So yeah, there's really nice glass and stuff and porcelain if that's your thing over here. Personally, I don't really. It's not my thing.
Really? This is not a toy.
Doesn't look like much fun. Is that why? But you know, people do still love glass, and I mean that's hand painted. You got to appreciate quality in things, no matter what it is, right?
Sure.
At least I do.
I like whatever this is.
I think that's a coconut.
Yeah, but
Put a plant in it.
oh,
You have a lot of nice plants, don't you?
how do you know that? It's kind of creepy.
From your
Like standing outside my window at night.
cut that out. God. No, from your YouTube videos and stuff.
Oh, shut it.
When you're search Natalie Prowser on
Stop.
YouTube, and you get to see Natalie singing some country hits and some original stuff.
I'm gonna kill myself. Now this is maybe the greatest record ever made. Check it out.
This may be the greatest children's book ever. Oh my God, Veronica! I love Veronica.
Really?
Yeah, this hippo like. Oh, this is a different Veronica book.
Okay.
Like old kids' books are so great.
Caw. Stop.
That's the dragon sound.
Oh.
Roar.
This is dark.
You know,
This is
it's
really
going down-
dumb.
It's going downhill.
Ooh, ow.
I wonder why 11 years on YouTube and we have 250 subscribers.
We're gonna pull off one day.
Yeah, we're gonna start doing.
We're gonna
pranks.
finally start getting the attention we deserve.
I know.
And that's the truth. God, I hate this fucking camera.
Watch your language.
Sorry. I figured out the beep tool.
Oh really?
Yeah. Because I had to beep out that clip last week.
These are cool work boots. Red Wings, old Red Wings. Check them out, man. There's old work clothes are freaking hot. So then there's this stuff over here, funny like circus poster, like French style circus poster signed by the artist. Here's a neat old St. Louis map. Which is really cool. Just hard to display, I guess. That candelabra is awesome. There's a bunch of cool posters down here.
Whoa.
Again, the posters are just kind of hard to display, so go through them, check it out. Then here is the
Will
shawl.
you open this one?
Sure. Yeah, there's I think there's Paul McCartney. Oh! There he is.
What's on the other
Sir
side
Paul.
of it? That's cooler, I think.
Mm-hmm. I want a yacht like that.
One day.
Yeah, one day. But yeah, there's neat old like 60s, 70s music posters in there. There's some cool carved pieces here. This wooden swing. This is that Shaw Walker desk. It was in the auction last week, but there's nobody here for it. That's a freaking awesome piece of mid-century furniture. Tried to promote it, you know, hashtag it and all that. So this week it'll go for what it goes for. I don't normally do that. I don't ever do that really. Like maybe 5 times. I was just like, no, that's not selling tonight. Last week. So a couple of display cabinets. Those have been doing well lately. I think this is really neat.
Yeah, I did too.
For like, I think it'd be great for looking at jewelry. It's probably for tying flies. Fishing flies.
Gotcha.
That's neat. Oh,
He's so loud. He does sound like Boomhauer, like through a wall. God dang ol'.
more neat stuff over here. Nicely arranged. Some Christmas stuff. Then there's more. That's awesome. I'm gonna take that up front right now. A mandrel. I mean, these are like you use them to find out what size the ring is. You know. Yeah, they're awesome. Then there's gemstones and some holiday stuff and little bags of fun things.
Oh, sure. It's kind of neat. There's some cool stuff back here.
I know, there really is. See all these video discs?
Nope.
I guess this is after he got in his plane wreck. That was his magazine, and then that was the last of it. Oh, I thought that was a video disc. I guess it's vinyl. The Casey Bearcats play Dixieland.
Yeah.
They were something back in the day. So try not to sit on these because they're old, and they're not really made for modern man.
Or
Which is
old
why we
man.
have trouble selling them. I guess antique furniture just isn't what it used to be. Oh, gumball machine.
That's cool on the inside. You should lift that
Yeah,
up.
and it's really,
Wow.
really nice and clean. Camelback trunk.
Neat.
Used to be this would have been like $100 easy, but it's just people aren't buying them. Please don't sit in that. It's for looking at, not sitting in. Rack on wheels.
Hell yeah.
Rack on wheels.
Oh yeah.
No racks, no water.
Fun. Drop.
There's more number
8
9
a.m.
back here, I think, if we want to look at that. Yeah, that. I guess the rest of it is not number 9, but we're already back here. Nice chest. Old, very, very neat piece. This is a highlight of the auction. What, like 1850s maybe? Very, very old piece of furniture.
How do you know that?
Like, just like the way it's put together. And just the way the wood looks and the style.
That's cool. Does it have like
That's
a mark or
that's
anything?
What I think anyway. I mean, probably not.
It's this thing.
Yeah.
Sort of marked.
Yeah.
That's cool.
No, it is really cool. Then there's this secretary back here. Again, another really old piece. A lot of good stuff from number 7, and a lot more to come as well. Then radio cabinet. And then we switched to 15, I think here, butcher block, neat, like African style. I don't know what, magazine rack or something? Kind of a mid-century cart. And we switched to 14 on this.
This had a little label. Don't know where that went.
Oh, it looks like there's some boxes in there. That's a pretty neat piece.
Vaughn, did you take off the label on this thing?
Oh, the expensive one? Yeah. 750?
Yeah. But it said like what it was.
Oh.
You know? Anyways. It's in the pictures. Okay.
Hey, there's some hot toast.
This is really cool. We were almost thinking we'd sold this before, because Vaughn and I hauled one of these. I think it was a little more like Asian. It reminds me of something that was in Gojo. You remember Gojo's?
No.
It was this Japanese steakhouse in North Court that was really good. It was really good, but then it was also really terrible at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. If you've been there, you know what I'm talking about.
Ooh. Caw. Oh, caw. That's cool.
All sorts of neat stuff in this box.
What is this?
Snowblower.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Goddamn
real deal there.
snowblower.
Ain't no snowblower, I'm gonna tell you what. Change that spark plug.
No, just JB will. Don't change it.
Then those are neat design. Cool ceramic lamps. Like little pieces, expanded metal chairs, baker's rack.
What is he doing? Okay.
Don't know. Christmas stuff. I mean,
Goodness.
nice little side table there. I like that. You just have a little bit of room. A dresser. This is maybe like a game table or something.
Ooh.
And there's kind of the stuff that's been around for a minute, but we seem to sell a little bit of it every week, so rather than throw it away, I want to throw it your way.
That's clever.
Thank you. More typewriters and stuff. Again, we just kind of keep eking them out. This is nice. Mid-century, in good shape. Sleeper.
What's happening over there?
Somebody's taking it out to the booth.
What?
More decoration.
You mean something's leaving here?
Hey. Hey now.
That was part of your interior design. That's part of what your design style that you were known for. This is really good. This is a cool piece.
That's cool.
Jewel tee and more. Yeah, new flea market opening up at Target and
39th and 291.
39th and 291. Go get yourself a booth. Come down here, buy some stuff, fill it up. Supposedly a really great place. All this stuff here is looking good. Nice old stuff.
This is getting long.
Is it? Okay. Let's put it in third. You know, kind of more the same.
Put it in what?
Put it in third gear.
Right, yes. Cars.
Neat stuff.
Neat. Bridal party sewing kit.
That sounds like
Yes.
a good time. So then over here we've got some nice tools.
This is called a bandsaw.
Not a bandsaw.
Table saw.
Table saw. I mean,
Table.
that's a bandsaw.
Belt sander.
That's a belt sander.
You know what this is?
That's a dove caw tail fixture. I didn't do so good in wood shop.
Huh?
What do you think the yellow the walls for?
Oh, come on, man.
You get the same with that, and then
That's a table sander.
close up the planer.
Duh. To make ball joints, right?
Planing your wood.
I hate myself. Anyways.
Yeah, like we're getting concerned about you.
Yeah, I'm not feeling so smart today.
So just some yard stuff, tile stuff, Thatcher.
This is
Tile saw.
duh. And then a professional tripod. Sure. So you can document all of the wood things you're doing. Is this happening again?
Yeah, this is happening again.
Okay.
That bad. This is happening again. Appears to be. Then over here in this corner it gets a little cramped, but there's a nice Huffy beach bike over there. Sienna. There's some snowboards or a snowboard. That nice wingback chair. Some water skis. And up top some gas pump signs. Phillips 66. Here is a power inverter. Here is a rack-mounted effects processor, MIDI capable. There's Harley Davidson lamp. We'll flip that around another time. There's an Xbox One, I guess, and then a 360, PlayStation 3, freaking 12 channel. I guess, yeah, I mean, it's a little banged up, but get that going.
I could get that and start.
A bunch of games. Oh, good lord. Skeleton, Dracula, Medusa, some more Halloween stuff there. Of quite a few boxes of Halloween stuff. It's not too late. Get your freak on. Here, this is cool. Like freaking Jaws of Life.
Wow.
You don't see that very often.
You don't?
I mean, I guess if you do, you'd probably don't. You'd rather see it here. So these are big boxes just full of Halloween stuff, decorations. So that's kind of fun. Here's the chainsaw. Sucker looks like it's never been used. Once or something.
I like that that's with the Halloween decorations.
I know. I did that. That was me.
Really?
There's some vinyl.
That's clever.
There's a bunch of purses. I mean, it says Coach. But I mean, those aren't even. I don't know. Find something in there. Propane heater, ready heater.
Propane accessory.
Propane and accessories.
Damn it, Bobby.
That boy ain't right.
That boy ain't right.
This thing is pretty cute. Nice pedestal. Some rhino ramps there. A ghost. A cut out neat piece there. Some art. And here's this little electric fireplace. The heater is not turned on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off since we're gonna be done here. But it lights up, it heats up.
Let's kick it into 4.
We should. Let's get on the
Okay.
highway. Let's go down to the wall, old photos.
Have anything to say?
No, I'm just kind of checking them out too. Look, I think these are pretty cool.
I like this lady thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Meep, meep, meep.
I need some stuff for my walls. It's so hard to buy stuff and like. It's hard to buy art anyway.
What do you mean?
But then when you just, I don't know.
You just buy it?
Well, it really has to, you know,
Has to speak to you?
speak to you, and then
Okay.
you know. You're like, really?
this-
First Friday, $10,000?
Does
No,
this
I
speak
don't
to you?
think so. It does not.
Does this speak to you? No, this speaks to you. No. Come
Those are
on
freaking
now.
Spooky looking.
Oh man.
Your arm getting tired?
Yeah, because I'm like carrying this around for no reason. That's right there, okay?
Okay. Oh, baseball children's. Crazy picture. Some of those Norman Rockwell things. Sports. Sports. Husker stuff. Okay, now we're going back here.
Kick
We're
it.
almost done, folksies.
Sorta. Already at 40 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We gotta go. People
It's a long one.
will lose attention. I don't know, so maybe not. Some people watch all the videos and like
That's
don't look at the pictures, then other people look at the pictures and don't look at the videos. I don't watch the videos much because I don't really like to hear myself talk. Nobody does though, right? This is cool. Oh man.
Whoa. It's just that this auction is cool and we keep getting distracted by stuff.
I know.
Is that what I think it is?
should maybe take another look at some of this stuff.
Wow.
This would be a great buy for somebody, all these Mudmen.
Wow.
Yeah, there's really neat stuff back here. Which is like, how do you sell it, you know? Like this instrument maybe go by itself, but then you spend a bunch of time doing it. And yeah, there's all sorts of really cool stuff in here. And if you only want one thing in a box, you can just take the one thing in a box. You don't have to take the whole box. Most people do, though. Yeah, this is neat stuff. Some vinyl. We're not going to spend time flipping through all that. You guys know the deal. The vinyl is, it's not like freaking kicking ass like it used to down here either. When these would be like $200 a box, now we're looking
a
at
pretty decent box though.
50 or 60. Sometimes they go over, but this is awesome.
Whoa.
Some
Crack one
Gary's
open.
beer. Oh, thanks. That's neat. That's really neat. A portal into time. I can't believe we're 40 minutes already.
Yeah. Like what? Like that'll go up front for like $100.
We'll reassess some of this stuff back here.
This is a table saw. Right?
Circular saw.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be stupid. I just failed shop class, that's all.
So yeah, more Christmas stuff, more holiday stuff, more sports stuff, vintage toys.
Wow.
Is that an Olympic thing or something?
No, it's like you're the number one employee at Home Depot.
Oh yeah, that was quite an
I
honor.
totally flex that. Say what? Oh, thank you.
So all this,
I was looking through that.
huh?
I was looking through that.
Yeah.
I saw something that said silver plated. Is that the same thing as like it's silver?
No, that is the same thing as it's not silver.
Oh.
It's just plated. Train stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go through some of this.
Wow, we can do a lot of sounds in there. Woohoo! Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Okay, this is why this video is 45 minutes long.
Double D enjoys it.
Yeah.
This was got by
Whoa.
Scott, Greg, and Casey, and Adam,
Sick.
and Lance.
Nice. That's rare.
There's a Huskers son baseball. I mean, that could, Alex Gordon could be on there. Yeah, more stuff.
Okay, let's
Okay.
crush it here.
Boom. Again, be sure to subscribe and all that, please. I'll give you $1.
No.
Signed by Bill Motley, Negro Leagues baseball umpire. We got, just what I said, Dan Quisenberry, bobblehead, AO. All sorts of neat, weird little lots of stuff over here. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's freaking awesome.
Whoa.
That's awesome. I think.
I think so
Cassie.
too. Hey.
Oh, sorry,
Hey,
sorry.
man. Come on. Oh. Why is it so little?
So there's a bunch of roosters and all sorts of stuff. These are freaking cool.
Caw. How do you make that rooster sound? Yeah, that's. I don't know about that. That's kind of cool. Weird ashtray thing.
All sorts of really
This is
neat.
a good one.
I know. I think so too.
There's like little treasures.
It just keeps going.
happening.
It keeps going.
Damn it, Luann. Put some clothes on.
Some big ass Technique speakers.
Neat.
This one of those wooden baseball games in there, I'm assuming. And we keep rolling through here. Again, more cool stuff. All night long.
Get the pictures.
Oh, this poor person. They were sick.
That's hilarious.
I know, I'm funny. Blue Danube. This little washstand set. DVDs, caps. More bows right there at the
I
end.
tried to get that open for like 20 minutes and couldn't figure it out. It's driving me nuts. I gotta know what's in there.
Oh, you'd think that someone would. Well, hey, come to the auction, figure it out. We'll open it. We'll open it before then.
Okay.
All right, I guess that's it, right?
Yep.
Okay. See you Thursday.
I can't.
Thumb will make it.